Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We have another package. This is from JDM Car Motorcycles. Seems like it's well packed. We'll open it up here in a minute. Very well packed. This is the Daihatsu controller. I asked them to list what was the symptoms because it's required for me to repair these. Gives me a area to start in because these are slightly different than the plastic ones. So these are not epoxy potted generally. I will grab a little screwdriver. We'll pop the tabs here. These ones are slightly easier. Can't tell if those tabs have been twisted or not. But we will slowly lift these up here. See if there's anything glaring at us. Generally, if the caps are leaking on these, they will have signs. All right, that was a way bit different than the other ones. So yes, this does look like it's got leaking caps. Now, the problem with these is the microcontroller, the solder connections go bad on it, but sometimes that microcontroller is dead. But yes, we can see right there. We get the spewage. So this is going to need definitely caps. So these take a little bit of work. Got to remove the caps, got to remove that chip. So all the caps get replaced. I got to remove that chip to get the corrosion from underneath of it. I've done a couple of these. I figure I'd do a video on this one. But yeah, this is Daihatsu. So I'll get this on the bench in the repair queue. But yeah, it's definitely a cap job. So we will catch y'all later.